Okay, so the Xmaxx has a problem, and it's the pinion most likely. So I already took the body off, and I think you get to get in here. Find out. I've never taken one of these apart yet. Only had it for a few days though, and already a problem. But that's to be expected with RCs like this. You know, you're always constantly running. You know, I mean, I smacked it pretty decent, but you know, like I said, and I put a short video up talking about it. You know, I've had an infraction, and it did that to me where the pinion came off. So just tighten it down. I mean, I assume that's what it is because it sounded like the pinion came loose. I mean, it still rolls, so it just doesn't have the grinding part. So I'm going to get in there. I'm going to see what's going on. So just as I suspected, the pinion so the screw's sticking up. Yep, it's definitely loose. So all I'll do is just tighten that down. Alright, tighten that down. Now I get the sound that it's supposed to hear. Alright, now I just gotta get the cover back on. Alright, so one little trick I use to get the screws is I put a magnet on this thing. If they fall down in and picks them right out. It just magnetizes the drill bit here. So I'm gonna get the cover back on that now that it's working, and I got another thing I'm gonna show you guys that's along with this project. Got it powered on. I'm gonna take it off the bench here. Sure it works. Whoa! Yeah, that did it. And I gotta clean this mess up now. Yeah, there's no room in here to run around, so. Just knocking stuff everywhere. Alright. Okay, so this is the new body I painted up. And I'm going to take the parts off the old one because I have to have the clipping mechanisms and I don't have that. So it's going to transfer for that one, put it onto this one, and then I can put that on the Xmaxx. And there we go. I just put basic stickers on. I feel like not real reason to start over decorating the body because I mean, basic stickers, no point in it because this thing's gonna get abused. So I'm not worried about it. The only thing I have left to do, I already started, was I'll put the drywall tape and shoe glue in here, and I put the frame in first because I need to work around it. And I'd rather not have to, have the drill holes in the way. At least on this body. So I'm going to do that then. Alright, body's done. Now it's time to take it outside and just mess around with it. So I was running this, apparently it happened again. Means I need to Loctite it. So, well, that was it for this video, because I figure, well, put the new body on, looks good, but I'm going to have to get that pinion fixed. So I'll catch you guys next video. Like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. Bye.